Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to download and install Node.js on macOS 13 Ventura. This is our macOS 13 Ventura operating system. Now I am going to download Node.js. Open Safari web browser. Go to google.com. Press enter. Type in Google search bar. Download Node.js for Mac. Click on first link, nodejs.org. Let's drop down little bit. Here it is, Mac installer. Let's click on it. Click allow to download Node.js package. Node.js download is completed. Let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click on Downloads. Here it is, Node.js package. Right click on it. Open with installer. Let's close download console. Welcome to Node.js installer. Click on Continue. Software license agreement. Click on Continue. Click Agree. Node.js software will take 232.5 megabytes of space on your computer. Click Install. Type ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our admin user on this Mac. Click Install software. The installation was completed successfully. Click Close. Do you want to keep this Node.js installer package? You can click on Keep, otherwise click Move to Bin. In my case I want to keep this Node.js package. Now I am going to check our Node.js is successfully installed or not. Click on Go. Click Utilities. Double click on Terminal. Let's close Utilities. Type command, node, space, -v. Press enter. As you can see, our Node.js version 18.12.1. This means our Node.js is successfully installed on macOS 13 Ventura. Let's close terminal. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to download and install Node.js on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.